morning, dear students. Welcome back for another video of our chapter number 16, local self-government. This is the continuation of what we have left from the previous video. Into the previous video, we have seen about different things such as Tirth Gram Yojana scheme, Pawan Gram Yojana scheme. Then we have discussed about the district panchayat, the formation, administrations, and the functions about that. Okay, let us have a little bit of discussions what we have done into the recorded into the previous video about the Pawan Gram Yojana scheme. उसके अंदर ये बताया था कि such villages are being the villages which comes into the criteria जहाँ पे कुछ चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए, जैसे कि पिछले 3 सालों में कोई क्राइम नहीं होना चाहिए था. Second things it says like there should be no consumptions or sellings or productions of any kind of the narcotics drugs. Cleanliness should be maintained. तो ये सब जो स्कीम्स में ये सब चीजें जो आती है, then definitely गवर्नमेंट जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है, they come ahead and help to such kind of village by giving them the help of 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Then we have seen about the district panchayat. In the district panchayat, we have seen like the head of the district panchayat is the district development officer, and minimum number of members is 32 and maximum can go to 52. उसके अंदर भी 50% seats are reserved for women, and it says like the tenure of the district panchayat is of 5 years, and further there are different committees which has been appointed, which has been formed in the district panchayat, such as education committee, health committee, construction committee, and so on. And district panchayat के अंदर क्या आता है? तालुका पंचायत, ग्राम पंचायत. So district panchayat has more responsibility in comparison to these two. Today we will be moving further and explaining the committee which has been there in the district panchayat. It is about social justice committee. Social justice committee. The name itself states that it will be giving the justice to society. This committee is formed for giving the justice to the society. Okay, so it says it is responsible for creating and implementing schemes so that weaker sections can get education, health, social and economical benefits. तो ये कमेटी क्यों बनाई है? So this committee is responsible. ये कमेटी इसलिए बनाई है कि ताकि this committee is been responsible for creating and implementing the schemes. वो क्रिएट करते हैं और वो ध्यान में रखते हैं कि ये जो स्कीम्स जो आई है, जो बनाई है, उसको इंप्लीमेंट भी करती है. फॉर हुम? फॉर द वीकर सेक्शंस ऑफ द सोसाइटी. सोसाइटी में जो लोग पुअर है, जिनके पास पैसा नहीं है, उनके लिए ये स्कीम्स बनाई है एंड उनको इंप्लीमेंट भी कराते हैं. किसके अंदर? इट सेज लाइक फॉर द वीकर सेक्शंस हु कैन गेट एजुकेशन, प्रॉपर एजुकेशन उनको मिले. रिगार्डिंग देयर हेल्थ, उनका हेल्थ के रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो उनको बेनिफिट्स मिले, हेल्प मिले. Social and economical benefits by the government somewhere if they are not having the proper arrangement of food facilities, if these people are coming below the poverty line, अगर कहीं ना कहीं ये गरीबी रेखा के नीचे आते हैं तो we have seen that every month there has been grant given by the government. They have to go to that particular places and with the ration card, the nominee, the names are being over there, or government उनको free of they provide food grains per family. So ये जो सब चीजें जो आती है ना, तो this has been taken care by the committee who has been formed by the in the social justice committee. और दूसरा मेन रीजन ये बताया गया है कि the main function of the social justice committee is to see that the justice is being imparted to the weaker sections of the society. उनका मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये भी आता है कि जो वीकर सेक्शंस में है, जो गरीब लोग हैं, उनको जस्टिस मिले. दे शुड बी गिवन द प्रॉपर नॉलेज रिगार्डिंग द जस्टिस. कहीं ना कहीं ये लोग दे आर बीइंग दे हैव बीन नॉट गिवन द जस्टिस बिकॉज दे आर आइदर पुअर, दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड द कॉस्ट एंड ऑल. बट ये कमिटी है जो उनको ये ध्यान रखेगी कि ऐसे लोगों को भी जस्टिस मिले. फर्दर से ये जो कमिटी है, सोशल जस्टिस कमिटी, ये कितने मेंबर्स से बनी है? इट इज मेड ऑफ 5 मेंबर्स at the level of taluka and district. Taluka level और district level दोनों में it is said like it is made up of 5 members at the taluka and district, or it is compulsory at all 3 levels. Social justice committee, it is compulsory कि ये तीनों लेवल पर हो. That's why क्योंकि इनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, इनका काम है कि जो वीकर सेक्शंस में लोग आते हैं, द पुअर पीपल, they take care of these people and they provide the necessary things, commodities, the things which are important for the life by this committee. So this is all for the social justice committee. Next topic will be moving for the urban administrations. तो उसके पहले हमने क्या देखा था? Rural, that is relating to the city, or sorry, villages. In the urban, we will be looking for the city. There is municipality in cities having population of 1 lakh or more, and corporation having the population of 5 lakh or more. So urban administration also it says like कि वहां पे we have seen it has been divided into two parts. One is municipality, and the second one is corporations. और municipality और corporations how it is been formed, कितना population होता है वहां पे municipality and where there is a corporation. So it says in the cities where there is a population of up to 25,000 or more, so municipality is there, and where the population is more than 5 lakh, okay, corporation is being formed. Self-government elections are held after 5 years. So it says this is a body of local self-government, and it is how the elections. यहाँ पे भी elections कैसे conduct होते हैं. So it says elections are generally held after 5 years. Both of these are the organizations of the local self-government. That's what I said. कि जो municipality और corporation है, these are also the part of the local self-government. Elections are held after 5 years. All the voters of the city having voting rights can vote. तो जो इलेक्शंस होते हैं either into the municipality or the corporations, तो जो वोटर्स होते हैं into the city who are eligible of voting, who are above 18 years of age, they can use their voting power for at the time of the casting the vote. So this is like for the both the parts into the municipality and corporations. Municipality in the cities where there is up to 25 or more than that, 25,000 or more than 25,000 of people, number of population over there, and in corporation it is like where there is 5 lakh or more than 5 lakh of people. Now let us see about the corporation. In cities where population is up to 25,000 or more and minimum number of seats is 28. तो कितने seats है? How many seats are being allotted? It says minimum number of seats are 28. अब हम देखेंगे फॉर्मेशन, जैसे हमने तालुका में डिस्ट्रिक्ट में देखा कि हाउ इट इज बीइंग फॉर्म, किस तरह फॉर्म होता है. सो फॉर्मेशन इज सेज एरिया ऑफ म्युनिसिपैलिटी आर डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट वार्ड्स. इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट वार्ड्स एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉपुलेशन इट इज बीन डिवाइडेड. पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से इट इज बीन डिवाइडेड एंड डिफरेंट वार्ड हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड. 50% ऑफ सीट्स आर रिजर्व फॉर वुमेन. हमने अब तक देखा है कि जो सीट्स रिजर्व है, जैसे अगर हम तालुका लेवल की बात करें, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल की बात करें, ठीक है, हर एक जगह पे वुमेन को इक्वली क्राइटेरिया दिया है. सो हियर आल्सो इट सेज जितनी भी सीट्स होती है उसमें से 50% ऑफ सीट्स आर बीइंग इलेक्टेड फॉर वुमेन एंड वन वार्ड कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 मेंबर्स. एक वार्ड में कितने? 4 मेंबर है एंड उसमें से 50% ऑफ सीट्स आर बीइंग रिजर्व फॉर वुमेन. His or her tenure is of 2.5 years. उनका tenure मतलब उनका कितने साल का टर्म होता है? That is for 2.5 years. 2.5 साल का उनका टर्म होता है. For 2.5 years they can carry on their work, and as and when the tenure is been over, again they are being elected. And further it says like the president is the head of the elected members. जैसे तालुका और उसमें हमने देखा कि प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, तो किस तरह the president and vice president is being elected amongst the members, and the president is the head of is the chairman of over here. And further it says जो tenure है इनका, the term, it is of 2.5 years. Now let us see about the we'll be looking about the administrations, how it is being administrations. So over here also it says various committees are being formed at the different levels and they are being elected from the members. जो members है उनमें से ही अलग अलग कमिटी बनाई जाती है, जैसे कि एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी है, देन फाइनेंस कमिटी है, हेल्थ कमिटी है, कंस्ट्रक्शन कमिटी is there. So different committees are being formed from the members as I have stated, and as up till now what we have seen. Now let us see what are the functions. So functions is to what it has been similar to up till the now what we have seen. First is there should be the water supply management. There should be proper supply of water. They should manage that each and every corner of the city should get the proper drinking water facility, clean water drinking facility. Second, there should be the management of the road, constructions of new road, maintenance of the roads. Third is, registration of the birth, death and marriage certificate. Cleanliness should be carried out. Town planning and education management. This is one of the major important point. Town planning. They should think about the future. It should be known that the population is going to increase. So as and when the population increases, they should think that there should be the proper management of the town. There should be the big roads between the between the areas, because as and when the population increases, there are the chances for the congestion of the traffic and other things. So beforehand only they should plan about the town planning and education. Education should be given to the best so that they can get the best of the educations, and this will definitely help them in their life. Then says fire extinguishers and the items which are not good should not be sale. It should be stopped, which is harmful, and fire extinguishers should be provided. We have seen like last year what happened in Surat, where there was an academic going on. Suddenly the fire burst out because of the short circuit, and because lacking of fire extinguisher, many of the students they had to jump and they had to give their life. So fire extinguisher after that it become very important. So these are all functions about what we have seen about the corporations. Into the live sessions. Still, if you have any doubt, we can have the discussions. Till then, I request all the students to watch the video. Be safe and take care of yourself. Thank you.